In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish a Softr app step by step. If you've spent time building and testing your application, the final milestone is making it live for your users. And Softr makes this process remarkably straightforward with just a few clicks. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. The very first thing you'll want to do is log into your Softr account. Head over to the Softr website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is essentially your command center for managing all of your projects. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the sidebar menu. You'll see an option labeled Applications. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a list of every app you've created within your account. Think of this as your project portfolio. Each card represents a separate application, complete with its own name, status, and last edited date. Now find the application you want to publish and open it. Simply click on the app's name or its card, and Softr will load the editor for that specific project. If you have multiple applications, take a moment to double check that you've selected the right one. It's a common pitfall to accidentally open a test app or a draft that isn't ready for users, so verify the name and maybe even the last modified date before proceeding. Once you're inside the editor, you have full access to all of your pages, blocks, and settings. This is where the real work of preparation happens. Before you hit that publish button, it's absolutely critical to review your pages, content, and settings. Don't skip this step, even if you're confident everything is perfect. Go through each page one by one. Check your text for any typos or outdated information. Make sure your images are displaying correctly and that any data from your backend source, like Airtable or Google Sheets, is pulling through as expected. This is also a great time to confirm that your navigation menus are complete and that no pages are accidentally hidden or unpublished. A thorough review now saves you from having to scramble to fix something after users are already seeing it. Next, you'll want to click the preview icon to test your application. This is one of the most valuable features in Softr because it lets you experience your app exactly as a user would, without it being live on the internet. The preview mode is usually accessible from the top toolbar, often represented by an eye icon or a screen symbol. When you click it, your application will open in a new tab or overlay, running in its full interactive state. Take your time here. Click every link, fill out any forms, and test all interactive elements like buttons and drop-downs. This is your chance to catch any broken connections or layout issues. A best practice tip here is to test on both desktop and mobile views if your app is responsive, which most Softr apps are. You can usually toggle between device sizes directly in the preview pane. While you're in preview mode, also check that your authentication and user permissions are working correctly. If your app has sign-up or login flows, go through the entire process as a new user. Does the email verification work? Are the right pages visible to anonymous users versus logged-in members? These are the kinds of details that can trip you up if you don't test them first. If you find any issues during the preview, don't panic. Simply close the preview and return to the editor. Make any final changes you need. This could be adjusting a block's layout, updating a link URL, or even adding a missing image. The editor saves your changes automatically as you work, so you don't have to worry about manually saving before you move on. Once you're satisfied that everything looks and functions exactly as it should, it's time to locate the Publish button. Look in the upper right corner of the editor. This is a very intentional placement. It's always within easy reach, but not so intrusive that you'd click it by accident. The button is usually a bright color, often blue or green, and it will simply say Publish. Go ahead and click it. This is the moment of truth. Softr will then process your request, and you'll see a brief loading state or progress indicator. The platform is essentially taking your latest version from the editor and deploying it to the live URL where your users can access it. Depending on the size of your app and the number of changes, this process usually takes just a few seconds. Wait while Softr publishes your latest changes. Do not navigate away from the page or close your browser during this time. Interrupting the process could cause a partial or incomplete deployment, which might leave your app in an inconsistent state. You'll see a confirmation message once it's complete, often a green checkmark or a toast notification that says something like "Published successfully." Now the real test begins. Open your live application. You can do this by clicking the link that appears after publishing, or by navigating to your custom domain or the Softr provided subdomain in a new browser tab. This is your final verification step. Once your live app loads, verify that your updates appear correctly. Go through the same pages you reviewed in preview mode, but now in the actual live environment. Check that all pages, links, and buttons work exactly as you intended. It's not uncommon for a small glitch to appear only in the live version, so be thorough. For instance, if you updated a text block, make sure the new text is showing and not an older cached version. If you added a new data field, confirm it's populating. If something doesn't look right, you can quickly head back to the editor, make the adjustment, and click Publish again. Every time you publish, Softr overwrites the live version with your latest editor state. Finally, remember that publishing is never a one-time event. Your application will evolve, and you'll need to continue updating and republishing it whenever you make future changes. Whether you're adding a new page, tweaking a form, or updating your data source, every modification in the editor requires a fresh publish to go live. Softr makes this repetition painless, but the habit of previewing before publishing should always remain. Always preview before you publish. Check that all pages, links, and buttons work correctly. Verify that your content is accurate and up to date. Test your application on both desktop and mobile devices, and republish your application whenever you make new changes. By following this disciplined cycle, review, preview, publish, you ensure that your users always see your best work. And if you ever need a refresher, feel free to save this video or revisit these steps anytime. Thanks for watching.